Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad with sweetened condensed milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 cups of your favorite fresh fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and melon. Also, have one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk ready. A large mixing bowl and a spatula will be essential for combining everything perfectly. This simple recipe is a crowd pleaser. Now that you have your fruits, it's time for preparation. Begin by washing all your produce thoroughly under cool running water to ensure cleanliness. For larger fruits like pineapple, mango, or apples, carefully peel them and then chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1-inch cubes. Remember to remove any seeds or tough cores. This step ensures every spoonful is easy to enjoy and perfectly sized for your salad. With your fruits prepped, it's time for the magic to happen. Carefully transfer all the colorful prepared fruits into your large mixing bowl. Next, take your 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and pour the entire contents evenly over the fruit. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients together. Continue mixing until every piece of fruit is beautifully coated with the creamy, sweet milk. This ensures a consistent, delightful flavor in every bite. Almost ready to enjoy. Once your fruit salad is thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or an airtight lid. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even up to a few hours to allow it to chill completely. Chilling enhances the flavors and makes it wonderfully refreshing. Serve your delightful fruit salad cold as a perfect dessert or a sweet side dish for any occasion. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.